welcome back to Lean On Me, a place where learning is fun, exciting, and very practical. My name is Meka Akelo, and today we are going to learn about multiplication. Repeat after me. Multiplication. Multiplication. Now, sometimes some people call it multiplication, multiplication, or multiplication, or multiplication. It all means the same thing, okay? Multiplication is a smart and quick way of adding the same number over and over again. It is a smart and quick way of adding the same number over and over again. So instead of saying 4 plus 4 plus 4, you can just say 3 times 4. You can just say 3 times 4. What is 3 times 4? The first number, which is 3, is how many groups, okay? Is how many groups? 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4. The first number 3 is how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 times how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. So each group has 4 items, has 4 tomatoes. So 3, which is the number of groups, times how many are in each group? 4. So that becomes 3 groups of 4 tomatoes. That means 3 times 4. How many would it give us all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 would be 12 altogether. It would be 12 altogether. All right, let's look at another example. You went to the market and bought 2 packets of noodles. 2 packets of noodles. So the packets become the groups. So it is 2 times how many is inside each packet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first packet has 4 noodles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the second one? 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one also has 4 noodles inside. So you have 2 packets, which is 2 times how many are in each pack? 4. So that means 2 times 4. And how many does that give you? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay? 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, let's look at another example. You went to the market and bought onions, and they gave you 2 nylon with 5 onions each. Now, you have 2 nylon, okay? Now, that's not 2. It is the group. You have 2 groups of onions. 1, 2. 2 groups of onions. Now, in each group, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 onions in each of the nylon, in each of the group. So it would be 2, 2, 2 times 5 times how many is in each group, or how many is in each nylon. Okay, so you have 2 times 5. How many would you have altogether? 2 times 5. How many would you have altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Yeah. 10. And that brings us to the end of today's class. But just to recap on what we have learned, we have said multiplication is a simple way to add the same number over and over again. Instead of you saying 2 plus 2 plus 2, you just say 3 times 2, okay? And we have also said times is the sign for multiplication. It looks like an X is the sign for multiplication. We have also said the first number in multiplication, like when you say 2, okay? 2, it means the group. The first number is always the group, okay? The first number is how many groups. So in this case, it is 2. 2. And then the second number, when you say 2 times 5, the second number, which is 5, is what is inside each group. So you have said 2 times 5. The 5 is what is inside each group. What is inside each group? What is inside here? What is inside here? Both of them have 5, okay? So that is why you say 2 times 5. And then the answer is the product of the multiplication. But we will come to that in the next class. If you found this helpful, remember to like, share, and call your friend to come and learn with you. And I can't wait to see you again.